Life-saving car safety hammer. This emergency hammer provides peace of mind to yourself and your family on the road in case of car entrapment. Can be used in various situations such as rollover, electrical system failure, car fire, floods, sinking car accident. Jammed seatbelt cutter. The razor-sharp, stainless steel blade allows to cut a jammed seatbelt in no time. Slice the seatbelt diagonally for a quick and clean cut. Can be used multiple times. Tempered glass window breaker. The solid, heavy-duty, stainless steel spike easily breaks tempered glass car side windows. Hit preferably one of the corners of the window for better result. Ergonomic design. This tool features a sleek, modern design with a knuckle guard protection and allows a sturdy grip. Use with gloves if time permits. Additional spring-loaded option. Ingeniously, the versatile Resqhammer even allows you to snap in your Resqhammer tool to use the spring-loaded center punch feature for underwater emergencies. Resqhammer tool sold separately. Resqhammer has been proudly saving lives for over 10 years with our made-in-USA keychain car escape tool, Resqhammer. Due to our continued passion to educate the public and provide safety solutions when seconds count, we have been busy launching a full line of tools for both road and personal safety alike over the last year. We are proud to announce the launch of our newest car escape tool for drivers, Resqhammer. Resqhammer is a modern, ergonomical emergency hammer with knuckle protection for breaking windows and an easy-to-use seatbelt cutter. The hammerhead is made of stainless steel and the razor-sharp blade cuts easily through a jammed seatbelt. The Resqhammer comes with a practical mounting bracket, easy to install in your car with double face tape included in the box. This one-of-a-kind device can be attached in various locations around the vehicle to ensure it will be within reach in case of emergency. The hammer is designed to be able to snap your Resqhammer tool in for center punch capabilities as well as in LED light to allow for protection in multiple emergency situations. The Resqhammer tool and LED light are both sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. A potential lifesaver indeed. A must-have for even the slightly paranoid automobile users. Retention ponds and other substantial bodies of water seem to be everywhere nowadays. If your vehicle slips off the road and becomes submerged in water, this tool will help you survive by enabling you to cut a jammed seatbelt and shatter a side window for a prompt escape. I attached ours to a rip-away lanyard and tucked this hammer away in the back pocket of the passenger seat. By the way, if you pull out the headrests, the tips of their posts are pointy for a reason. They also can be used to shatter a vehicle's side window with a sharp strike to a lower corner. Don't try it on the windshield. It's made to be shatter-proof.